Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to Feel channel. I'm Mehdi and today we're visiting ANDISHE shopping center, one of the oldest and beautiful shopping centers of Tehran, which is located in North SOHREVARDI street, one of the best neighborhoods of Tehran. This shopping center has 10 floors, which 6 floors are using as parking lot, but in other 4 floors you can find many different kind of stores like man boutiques, cosmetic stores, decoration store, watch store, sport clothes stores, female clothing store, and many other different shops that provides people needs. A disadvantage about this shopping mall is that it doesn't have any food courts in it, but you can use many luxury and high quality restaurants in SOHREVARDI street, such as Nayeb restaurant, which is one of the famous ones. And SOHREVARDI is one of the oldest area and educated people of Tehran, with a lot of home appliances and decorations stores. And you can watch SOHREVARDI street video by clicking on the link in description in suggested videos. This shopping mall built in 2001 with 240 stores that you can find anything in it. If you're not a hard choicer, you will finish your shopping in less than 2 hours. There are some worth visiting places near ANDISHE shopping mall, such as ANDISHE Park, a park with big plantain trees, export equipments, and a coffee shop that makes it a good park to spend time. And the other worth visiting place is the Reza Abbasi Museum, which is a small version of ancient Iran museum. The prices in ANDISHE shopping mall is not cheap, even while they are in their off prices. Like you need to pay $40 for a t-shirt, $17 for a skirt, $50 for a formal gown, and $40 for a pair of sneakers. They are not cheap because the qualities are low. Now stay with me to spend a little more time in this shopping center. And I will be thankful if you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to be notified for more videos of Tehran and Iran sites. Comment me if you had any suggestions and don't forget to like the video.